How to show single tick on WhatsApp. In this video, I'll show you how to make WhatsApp messages show a single tick instead of double tick. This means the message is sent but not delivered, keeping you more private and in control. Let's get started. First things first, what you can do is, or the easiest way to avoid double ticks is by using airplane mode before opening WhatsApp. Just swipe down from the top right corner of the screen and simply tap the airplane mode to turn off internet access. Now simply close WhatsApp completely and then simply open it again and read the message. And simply after you've done that, this way WhatsApp won't sync and the sender will only see a single tick. Now if you also want to prevent blue ticks as well when reading messages, you should turn off read receipts in WhatsApp settings. Open WhatsApp and simply go to settings at the bottom right corner. From there, go to privacy. Now here you can simply see last seen and online. Simply tap on nobody. This will prevent sender from knowing you've read the messages, and it will stop double ticks as well. And that's it. That's how you can simply keep a single tick on WhatsApp using